Meaning of destructiveness.
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 Destructiveness. Destructiveness refers to the tendency or capability of causing damage, harm, or destruction. It describes a behavior or action that is likely to produce damaging outcomes, either to oneself or others. The consequences of destructiveness can vary depending on the context in which it occurs. They may include physical harm, emotional distress, financial loss, or societal unrest. Destructiveness can manifest in different forms such as violence, aggression, negligence, or recklessness. Ultimately, the result of destructiveness is the opposite of constructive behavior, impairing the well-being and progress of individuals and communities.